remove your mind from judgment while you're on this journey to make your life better, to improve yourself. Not even about finance, and to improve yourself. You can be tempted to say nanka abunso, so that maybe you've done your unso and then you want to start beating down on yourself, judging yourself, you know what I'm saying? But you guys avoid that emotion, that thing. Now 3D emotion in B. Now one of the weapons which Christianity they use on people. The right thing to do is, okay, I did this stuff which I feel like is not good, because I'm sure you won't just go and intentionally eat poison. I mean, if you're sure it's poison, then you should work on asking your more consciously and unconsciously growing your more to be strong enough to say no to what will kill you. But normally, just try come out for your mind, say you dey in judgment. You know what I'm saying? Highest thing you go reason is say you did run the do with some people. If you and your father know they talk, you go still there alive, but you know say you guys go fix that relationship. You know what I'm saying? But come out that concept, say things, you know what I'm saying, say you dey in judgment, that mentality. Processing My Pain came out this morning, so you can stream everything now. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. More music on the way.
What's the clean, where they make my heart to beat first. Say I fumble you, I go always regret. I miss when you lie on top my gym chest. God do my baby, even have some good sex. Bad chef, bad day, my marine goddess. Yes, I'm the